Learn egui in Neovim. Episode 6, Horizontal Layout. Build an action toolbar with buttons in a row. Here is what we are building today. ui.horizontal places widgets side by side. A closure groups buttons into one row. Multiple horizontals show labels and values together. The toolbar updates a status message and count. Cargo New creates our Action Toolbar project. Enter the project directory. Open Neovim. Space E opens Neotree. Navigate to cargo.toml. Enter opens it. G jumps to the bottom. Add eframe 0.31. Save with :W. :E opens main.rs clear and start fresh. Mod app declares a module. Use imports my app. The main function sets up the window. Viewport builder sets window size. Run_native launches the app. Box new wraps our app for startup. Save main.rs. Same pattern as before. :E creates app.rs for our app logic. Import egui from eframe. My app holds a message string and a count. Default sets message to ready and count to 0. Impl app defines the update method. Heading and separator. Same as before. ui.horizontal groups widgets into one row. Add button increments the count. Remove button decrements the count. Reset button sets count back to 0. Close the horizontal block. Another horizontal pairs status label with the message. A third horizontal shows count and the number. Close the brackets and save app.rs. Review from the top. Back to main.rs. Clean and short. Cargo Build compiles the project. our action toolbar running. Click Add to increment. Buttons sit in one row. Remove decrements. Reset clears to 0. Recap: 5 key takeaways. First, ui.horizontal places widgets side by side. Second, a closure groups the row contents. Third, multiple horizontals create label value pairs. Fourth, buttons and labels mix freely in a row. Fifth, separator divides toolbar from display. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more EGUI tutorials. Next episode: vertical and nested layouts.